bunch of coordinating. Gold decor, gold pillows. I'm not really a big fan of gold, so we'll see what else they have. Usually when I come here, I don't see a lot of stuff. And that is the case as well for today. I don't know what is up with these decor stores. They don't really have a lot of stuff anymore. Really, the only thing I need is a flower pot. This is interesting. But I was hoping I could find that one piece at Ross. That's 3 pieces. I haven't found that yet. So, not a lot of stuff. I'm in HomeGoods. I'm looking for a planter so I can repot one of my plants. Nice. That looks nice back there. It's nice, organic, but it does not have a drain hole. I think that's what's wrong with my plant now, is that it doesn't have a drain hole. So I need, that one has one. On clearance for $15. $14. I like this one. I think it's the same size as the other one. Yeah, $15. Is that too big? Don't know. Down here, it has a drain hole, medium size, and it's $12, so we might get this one like that. $24.99, $59.99. Alright, I think I'm gonna get a cart. I found this one, so like I said, it's $15. The plant that I want to repot needs room to grow, so I think I'm going to get that one. Let's see what else they have here. $16.99. Nice. Have something similar to this already. $30. It's so plain and not very substantial at all. This is nice. How much are you? Clearance for $12. That is really nice. We have something like that already. This looks like travertine. It's $30. It's quite large. Like this. $19.99. That's really nice, but where would I put that? Remember, we're not buying anything we don't have a use for. It's black. shade. We're in the clearance aisle. 22. It's heavy. 25 for that. I've seen these before. Horses similar to the ones that are in my office, and it is $30. There's my lamp that we got. It's $100 now. We paid $79.99, but you can see how the shade looks normally. Yeah, if you're still looking for this lamp, we found it again. And there's two. These are some really nice oversized lamps. You can see that it's quite large. And it's $80. Martha Stewart Living. They have some really nice lamps. This one reminds me of something you might see at CB2. Seven Blake, I have some of his lamps, $60. It's nice. We have these smaller, or these touch lamps. Looks like it for $40. This one's nice too for $50. It's giving that alabaster look. And of course, I had to get a couple of snacks. Some protein and a guilty pleasure. I don't see anything else, so I guess we'll go check out. Okay, we have repotted the plant into its new home. And we've trimmed all the dead bits off the leaves. You can see this one's new, starting to grow, and I'm hoping that now that it's transplanted, it will do a lot better. Fingers crossed. So that will end today's video. Thank you guys for coming along with me. If you want to spend more days with me like this, make sure you subscribe. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.